before I would run a competition, my chiropractor would be the last person I would see. So that lets you know how important I believed in that care. I was moving around, I would get on the table while I was warming up and then say, okay, doc, I feel this right here. Hop on the table, he'll fix me up a little bit, I go back out. Now I don't feel that, now I feel this here. But I was so hypersensitive to my body that my chiropractor always tells a story where I would come to him many times and like tap my foot like this and then tap the other one. And then I'm like, doc, you hear that? Like something's off. Like I need you to fix this. Like before I get out here, something is off. And he wasn't, oh, ain't nothing wrong with you. All right, lay down, let's figure this out. Always, let's figure this out. Let's talk through it. Let me know how you feel and what's going on, because he knew how kinetically aware I was of my body. He would tell me all the time, man, you know your body better than anybody I've ever worked with. But I thought it was just something that needed to be done. I mean, if you're a Formula One driver, which I love Formula One now, you'll know when if a screw is loose on that back tire. You can feel that. So I didn't think about it as me just doing anything extra or sacrificing time to learn this and learn that. I thought it was just what I needed to do to get to where I wanted to be and to be able to maximize my potential and performance.